check this out here. You'll see something on this the solar panel. Beautiful back here. It's the bifacial solar panels. That's why you see all the solar panels on the back. Otherwise, it'd be just a white sheet. These are amazing panels. I did a lot of research on these prior to buying them. They're the Aptos panels, which we purchased for the carport. So it's the same ones. And, you'll notice we haven't posted the videos of putting up the carport yet. We will be uploading those. There's just a lot of footage and having to go through a lot of things to get that uploaded. These are lighter than the other panels we purchased. So that's actually something very nice, because the other ones were, the first set we purchased were actually pretty heavy. But I'm sure that there's a good reason for that, though. Maybe it's thicker tempered glass or whatever. So as you see, I'm just inspecting all of the different angles of the solar panel. These are really nice panels. Again, great build quality.